What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kennedy and today we are taking down these lock petals, okay? Hope you all enjoy and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. Alright, so I've had this style in my head for almost 2 weeks now. I was gonna just wait and film this tomorrow, but it's like 5:30 p.m. right now. I was like, I gotta just do it now because I'm someone who almost never has their hair up like this, and it's starting to kind of itch and kind of get a little annoying. So it's almost been 2 weeks. It's been like a little over a week and a half, but I just gotta keep it. I gotta take it down because I keep my lock styles in for like a 2 weeks max. But yeah, I also have another video on my channel where I took down my 3-strand twist. I can put that little link, you know, so you can look at that one. But today we're just gonna take out these lock petals. I'm sure my locks are gonna be pretty curly or wavy after this because it's been in this style held like this for almost 2 weeks, and my locks are like twisted up into a bun. So yeah, I just miss laying flat and having my locks hanging. And yeah, let's get started, please. Okay, so now we are at a different angle in my bathroom. What's up, guys? So a little background, I got this style. I'm just gonna talk while I start it. I got this style for my birthday, which was on September 23rd. And yeah, it's almost October, so we can take it down now. I can put some pictures from my birthday. I turned 23, had a great time. Let's just get this bun down. Let me see. I have scissors. Disclaimer, be careful. We ain't got time to chop some locks off. But I have scissors because there's like a billion rubber bands in my head. So yeah, there's like, I'm trying to show you how the style is. So it's like my locks are kind of like twisted up, and then the locks themselves are kind of like bent, folded over into petals, and then they're secured with rubber bands. So there are like so many rubber bands in my head right now, which is why I have scissors, and hopefully I can maybe just break some of them and I just like pull them with my hand like this. Yeah, like that. But yeah, there are a lot. So I'm gonna get started on this and we're gonna speed up this video so it looks like it took me only 5 minutes when it probably is gonna take me like 30. Okay, and since I've never taken out lock petals before, I'm kind of learning as I go along. So it's easier when I just kind of snip the rubber band. So I'm doing it that way, and then I also learned that I can also kind of just like pull the locks out from their little grouping, and that helps. Like, I kind of just pull it out like that, and then that way it's easier to find the rubber band and just kind of snip it. So yeah, it's like I'm learning as I go along, guys. So that's why I'm probably looking like a question mark on my face right now. It's a learning process, okay? All right, and the funny part is I put so many of these little lock charms in my head before I got the style put in, because like, oh my god, whenever it's my birthday, you'll be able to see all the little lock charms in the petals. As y'all can see, you can barely see any of them. So like as I'm untangling them, like all the lock charms are like starting to show now. So they've just been folded in these little groupings for like almost 2 weeks now, and I put in like 25 of them for nothing because you can't even see them. So yeah, that was my birthday idea because I had the gold in my dress and it was gonna pop, but they were hidden, so. Okay, so I have my first little grouping free. So So I'm just gonna go ahead and like untwist it so we can see how it looks. Okay. So that's what that's looking like. So it's pretty much giving me like waves. So I'm assuming whenever I finish, my hair is gonna be extremely voluminous. Hopefully I don't look a hot mess. All right, so I have my second grouping done, ready to be untwisted or unbraided. I just want to reiterate that I'm being so careful with these scissors because no one has time to cut off a lock, okay? Because if I cut off a lock, the channel is canceled. That is it for Goldilocks. You'll never see me again. Because this is 4 years. I can't just cut it off, okay? So that is the next one. So yeah, it's pretty wavy, if I must say. I can already like feel the relief on my scalp. Oh my god, yeah. I couldn't wait to do it tomorrow, y'all. I said I gotta just do it tonight, because I know tonight when I'm laying down, I'm gonna wish I would have done it. I just miss being able to lay flat because I was my neck and my back. I've been going through it trying to get comfortable with that, especially them first few nights. So uncomfortable to sleep with. I was like, I couldn't go to sleep, y'all, but we won't have that problem anymore. All right, guys, so as you can see, we are in the home stretch. Almost there. I can lift this bun up and I can literally see from right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like 4 rubber bands at this base that I gotta get. So we're going. And again, I am being so careful with these scissors because I cannot stress it enough. I am not gonna cut off a lock today. That ain't happening. That ain't happening. Every time I think I don't have any more rubber bands, I see another rubber band, and there goes another one. Let me see. And there goes another one. There are so many rubber bands. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that was like my last little grouping. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn around because I'm going to go ahead and untwist. Is that the right word? Untwist, yeah. This last little bit. Let me see if y'all can see. I don't know. Can y'all see that? Let me see. Oh, you don't want to see that. I'm gonna hope y'all can see this right now. All right. Whew, okay. So that was it. Oh my goodness, yay. If y'all could look and see like the amount of rubber bands that are on my countertop right now. There's some on the floor. One of the like 2 or 3 of the lock charms fell out. Oh my god, there's so many rubber bands. Okay, so I'm just gonna put them over. I'm gonna put them on this side. I think this side looks, I like this side a little bit better. Ooh, okay, waves, bonus style. Okay, so yeah, that's the finished look. I will definitely bring you guys some more lock style takedowns if I get some more lock styles. But the moral of today's video is that the result was worth it. My scalp is free. So I'm gonna rock these waves till they drop. These are so cute. You can tell it's definitely way more voluminous than just like a 2-strand twist out or a 3-strand twist out, like my lock rope twist. It's way more volume. So it's like bouncier, bigger curls. I've never had my locks like this before. So I'm like I'm trying to be calm and professional right now, but I'm a little excited because this is like, I feel like an adult. It's like a grown woman. But yeah, hope you all enjoyed this little short video today. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will definitely see you in the next one. Peace.